Okay, so let's look at affect, agree, and announce. So affect, to make a difference. This will affect the results. This will affect the test. Anything. Do you think that could affect stuff? It is affecting the test. Affecting. It affected your ability to concentrate. Affect. This will affect the results. And agree. To think the same things. So as to agree. Yes. I think we can agree that this is cheap. She agrees with me that we should go this way. Yeah. He wants to agree, but he can't. They are agreeing with her so they can follow her, I guess. She agreed with me all the time. Agreed with me all the time. How cool is that? Now announce. To make something public and known. Hello, I'm here. Announce. He stood up and wanted to announce something to the family. She wants to announce something. They announced that they were getting married. Yes. There will be an announcement soon. There will be an announcement soon. How cool is that? Yeah. So let's say, to put it together, this might affect how the announcement is made when they come to an agreement. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.